Alright, so I'm going to make some kind of bumper slash cover out of steel to cover all this right here, this big ugly area. I got this lift block down here. I custom made this lift. This is a pretty big lift on this thing. I had the original 6-inch lift that I bought. Then I added an additional 6 inches to it. So it's got this 6-inch block that I made. And then I cut the spindles, cut them in half, added 6 inches to those as well. So it's got a total of 12 inches of lift on the front. But I want to make something just to cover this, just to kind of clean this area up a little bit. So I'm going to start off with some cardboard and see what I can come up with. Alright, so I'm going to post a couple pictures up. I cut me out some cardboard. Started off with this piece, just the basic shape that I wanted to do, and then I made these side pieces which come back and they come in at an angle, and I got a couple pictures of this all taped together on here. I'm going to show you what they look like. Alright, I got this thing all sanded down. This was just some 3M glazing putty. I just skim coated the whole thing just to kind of fill in some of the grinding marks and stuff. I had welded this with flux core wire and it had a lot of spatter all over it, so I went through with a wheel and kind of just buzzed over everything, but it had some grinding marks here and there. And this process here really wasn't even necessary, but I went ahead and did it anyway. I had some glaze and it didn't take me very long to buzz this thing down smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and get some black on this next. Alright, here it is with a nice fresh coat of black, gloss black. A little bit of dirt in it, but for what it is, this will be just fine. There's going to be some kind of decal or an emblem or something I'm going to do on the front of this also. Alright, and then this back side I just brushed a little on there, mainly just for rust protection. I wasn't worried about this side looking pretty or anything, but I just wanted to get some paint on there so the inside of it didn't rust out real bad. Alright, we are back out here working on the monster cart. I just finished up my bumper. Got the front bumper slash cover mounted on that I've been working on. I made this out of 1/8-inch steel plate. Sucker come out really good. I got to do a little bit more touching up on them two bolts, the two mounting bolts. But so this just mounts directly to the existing bar that's behind there that little plastic bumper normally mounts to. These usually have a little plastic bumper on there. So the way I made this side section still comes down with the contour of this top fairing and then just continues down the side. And it covers up that lift block that I'd fabricated down there. But I hope you guys liked the build video on the bumper. I'm satisfied with it. Came out exactly how I wanted it. And if I want to later down the road, this is sturdy enough where I can mount something up here on the top of this. It's not flimsy at all, doesn't have any flex to it. So that's going to be it. We'll see you guys on the next one. If you didn't see my roof drop down video, go check that out. If you want to learn how to drop the roof down, if you want to fit your golf cart into an enclosed trailer or something, go check that video out. This has got the Predator 460 in it. Well, 459cc crammed down in there. But anyways, hasta la vista, baby.